nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly magical in store for you. We're diving deep into the heart of a mystical forest, where every tree whispers a story and every leaf hides a secret. Join us on this enchanting journey as we unveil the untold tale of the forest. Our adventure begins at the gateway of this enchanted wilderness. The sunlight plays hide and seek with the leaves, creating a breathtaking dance of shadows and light. As we step in, the air is filled with the sweet scent of pine, and the ground is blanketed with a carpet of moss. Each tree here is a storyteller, bearing witness to centuries of life in the forest. If you listen closely, you can hear the whispers of the trees. They share tales of growth, resilience, and the circle of life. It's as if the forest itself is a living, breathing library of nature's narratives. As we journey deeper, we discover the hidden inhabitants of this magical realm. Squirrels playfully dart from branch to branch, birds orchestrate a melodious symphony, and butterflies dance in the sunlight. It's a thriving community where each creature plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Our path leads us to an enchanting lake, its surface reflecting the vibrant colors of the surrounding foliage. Legend has it that this lake holds mystical powers, and those who gaze into its depths can unlock secrets about the past, present, and future. Let's take a moment to connect with the magic it beholds. As the day gently transitions to night, the forest undergoes a magical transformation. The setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, casting a warm glow on the towering trees. It's a serene and mesmerizing spectacle, reminding us of the beauty that nature graciously offers. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the heart of the enchanted wilderness. Nature has a way of telling stories that resonate with our souls. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay enchanted. Nature is the greatest storyteller, and in its embrace, we find tales that inspire and captivate. See you in the next adventure.